Hi everyone! This is Mommy Grace reporting live here at Yes. Sana narinig niyo.
Kung kaya niya mag-read ng lips, hulaan niya na lang. And here's our fellow Zoomies at the watch party. And now I just want to formally introduce our resident host, Grace Barreto. Ito naman yung moment na hindi pa chaotic. Soft vibe lang and chill. But we're planning something different.
Oh my gosh! Ayan, wala ako may video.
Pangalanan natin siya. Ako pala yun, no?
Pangalanan talaga natin, tapos i-edit na lang. Para alam natin.
Yung sila nang mag-delete nun. Pag sinabi, di ba, while on live, nagbangit kayo ng pangalan, oy, public nun, ha? Automatic na.
Kasi nakakangaling pag ganyan.
Does it, yung mga topic na doesn't based off staying in the company for yung tenure mo for 5 years, 10 years, or is it better na mag-happer?
Dapat nga daw every 2 years ka.
Oo, kasi tayo na-experience na natin sa corporate, di ba? Parang sa mga bago pa lang.
Parang nung nag 7 years ako sa dati kong company, stagnant yung ano. 7 year each. Ang tagal.
Saka salary-wise, gas ano, kailangan nyo hindi kayo matatakot sa rage bait. Kailangan nyo ng very parang ano controversial topic, parang ano ba tawag doon? Yung hot take. Kailangan nyo ng hot take. Hot take na unspoken na hindi nyo parang publicly willing ibigay yung opinion nyo about that. Kasi maraming masasagsa. Meron parang Alvin, di ba? You talk about not accepting LGBTQ. Tapos pag yun, magiging controversial siya, pupunta kayo podcast.
Ganito, yung podcast natin, yung introduction natin, kasi yung kapagdala natin isa, may hotake na tawag. Tapos bago ka mag-introduce, ano yung opinion mo? Against ka ba? Sige lang. Tanong lang siya, ano? Welcome to Not So Ay, nila, may kamay namin. Asa na?
Dura na lang.
Kaya ka na ba?
Yun.
It all started here eh. It all started here eh. Shot mo na.
Tapos, dapat may ilang.
Bibitawan, baka mapasok. Kasi
Has been memorable and incredible. The delicious food from our friends at Yes.
We want this, booty bitches, big booty bitches. We want this, booty bitches, big booty bitches. We want this, booty bitches, big booty bitches. We want this, booty bitches,
ay, video pala.
16 Pro Max. Ito namin. Ikaw na, host. Magpapagaling ka na. Awarding na. Ang ingay nila kasi nag-games na sila. Ang ating host ay ang resident host, Grace Barreto. Pakita ko sa inyo. May amaw doon, may Teachers,
Okay, last FY27 question. May nanalo na!
April. Okay? So, hindi lang mga ballers yung pupunta.
That you're that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Oh, baby. Yeah, you gotta rock your way to this one. Come on. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. It's the only way we know how to rock. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. It's the only way we know how to rock. And we meant the girl. Was the one who gave the first kiss. And we meant the girl. Was the one who said, put your lips like this. You and me. You know I never meant to say it can't matter, but it's still alright. Even though we used to argue, it's alright. It's alright, girl.
This time, we move to iPong naman kasi hindi na nakaka-millennial dun sa Yes Please. So, it's Team Peter and Akira versus Richard and Melj. Ang rule ng beer pong game na to is kapag nakashoot ka, iinom yung kalaban mo. And kapag sila naman yung overall talo, ibig sabihin sila magbabayad ng buong ininom nyo. At dahil kami yung nanalo, sila yung iinom at sila din yung magbabayad. Yay! Thank you Akira and Peter! That's it for this Friday night's vlog. Till next time, bye!
Okay, let's go.